Yo, AutoAce fam! If you're planning to buy the Honda ADV 160 this 2026, you've probably asked this already. Sulit ba talaga siya sa presyo or hype lang? Because let's be honest, for a scooter, hindi na siya mura. So today, we're breaking it down based on real Philippine usage, not just specs. Let's go! First, let's talk about the price. The Honda ADV 160 2026 is priced at around 167,400 for the ABS type, 174,900 for the road sync type. So yes, this is already in the premium scooter category. Hindi na ito pang entry level. Under the hood, you get the 157cc ESP Plus engine. Same engine as the PCX 160. That means smoother power, good fuel efficiency, reliable daily performance. Real-world consumption, around 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. So in terms of engine, solid but not unique. Now, here's where the ADV becomes different. Suspension and ride quality. This is one of its biggest strengths. Longer travel suspension, upright riding position, and better handling on rough roads. If your daily route includes lubak, humps, and even pavement, dito lumalamang ang ADV. Next, ground clearance. Compared to most scooters, mas mataas siya. So less worries of floods, rough roads, at unexpected obstacles. Very important in Philippine conditions. Now, let's talk about features. Depending on variant, you get full digital display or TFT, road sync version, smart key system, USB charging port, traction control or HSTC. So tech-wise, hindi siya bitin. First, price versus engine. Same engine as PCX 160 but more expensive. So if performance lang ang basihan, you're paying extra for other things. Second, weight and size. Compared to Click or Mio, mas mabigat siya. Not a problem for experienced riders, but beginners might feel it. Third, not the most fuel efficient in its class. Yes, matipid pa rin, but not the best. Mas tipid pa rin ang Click 125 or Beat. Sulit ba ang ADV 160 sa presyo niya? The honest answer? Yes, but only for the right rider. If your daily use includes mixed road conditions, rough roads, long rides, and you want comfort plus confidence, the ADV 160 is sulit. But if your use is pure city riding, smooth roads, short commute, and you want maximum tipid, there are cheaper options that make more sense. So here's the honest verdict. The Honda ADV 160 2026 is not overpriced, but it's also not for everyone. You're not just paying for the engine, you're paying for suspension, versatility, and road confidence. AutoAce fam, if you had the budget, would you go for the ADV 160? Or choose a cheaper scooter and save the difference? If this helped you decide, like, subscribe, and share this with someone planning to buy one. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.